Hi guys, in front of me is REALME 11 and let me show you how to add photo to contacts. At first open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit, click on add picture, and now you can grab a picture by camera right now. You can select something from your gallery, you can select one of your Google photos, some from illustrations, just choose whatever you want. Let me choose something from my own gallery. Wakey. For example, this one. This is how you can customize the picture. You can zoom it in and out, whatever you want. You can also rotate it and then tap on choose to apply the picture. Click on save and that's it. From now on, the picture is assigned to your contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.